All right, class. I'm just going to pull this up really quick. If you look at the essential vocabulary, it's in, you go from the stream here to the classwork page. It's in that first section before the reading calendars. This is kind of the Bible for the class. In the next few weeks, we may learn some information sooner here about, when and if we get back to school and exactly what this AP exam will look like, how many questions, if it's entirely multiple choice. It's definitely going to be modified, and we know that the College Board is saying that it's going to be in units 1 through 6. But if you look at this essential vocab for the entire course, if you get this message, it's really easy to get around it. You just click open a new window, and it pops right up. If you want a cleaner view, because this is transferred from a Word document to a Google Doc, if you download it, you can open it up as a Word document, and it'll look a little nicer for you. Might take a second, but once you get in, it'll be formatted nicely. Anyway, you should really focus on units 1 through 4 for right now. Time periods 1200 to 1450 in units 1, or unit 1 and 2. 1450 to 1750 in units 3 and 4, that's empires and transoceanic connections like Age of Exploration. And then units 5 and 6 are 1750 to 1900. Those should be a little bit fresher, Enlightenment to, kind of where we ended class, the era of global wars. We started Unit 7 with World War I, and by the time we got to 8, we're in the Cold War. So not a very drastic shift in time period. We're all talking about the 1900s in the last 3 units. So we really have covered most of the material in units 1 through 6. So it's not a surprise to me that they would test on those items only out of fairness, I suppose. So this is just the intro video. What I'll set up in the coming week or so, and maybe even today, is I'll get you videos that are 10 to 15 minutes, let's say, maybe a little shorter, depending on the topics, that just kind of review some key points in each unit. Definitely something to focus on and utilize over the coming weeks. Thank you.